Next time you remember, anytime I take any question. So today we will start the biology of honeybee. So in this, what is biology? Biology means that is the life cycle, where is coming, where is going. That if you are going to your this, it is also known as type metamorphosis, and any this many type is there. And in metamorphosis many type of is there, metamorphosis, semi hemimetabola, then many type of is there. But in this, that is comes under a endoterigot group. So in this, complete life cycle is found, means that is coming from egg, egg to larva, larva to pupa, pupa to adult. So that is in all honeybees or all endoterigotes having complete life cycle, complete metamorphosis is occurring. So in honeybee also same type is occurring. If you are go to your lake insect and other species, your orthoptera, that having incomplete type metamorphosis, means they having only producing egg, egg to nymph, nymph to adult, not complete. Four stage is not found. But in honeybee, that having four step. First is egg, egg after egg, then your grub is coming. After grub, that pupa is coming. After pupa, adult is coming. So this is the common. That is a first year course note for this. So we will start the biology of your honeybee. So what is first nuptial flight is occurring. Queen receiving the spermata from drone and store in it spermatheca. Only one time is mating. After that, all sperm is stored in the spermatheca of the queen. So this is the simple procedure for mating. After queen, they come into the your box or queen box. Then after starting the your egg laying, larvae, pupa, that all are is coming. So that is the common. And queen walk over the comb, defining the cell size. That is also main difference. If you see, go to your comb, then largest any in comb, largest is queen, then another is smallest is worker, and between this is the size of cell. Cell size is also different. If you go to see your comb, that having different size of is there. So highest size of cell size is queen, then worker. Oh, sorry, smallest is worker, and between two is drone. So this is the difference between, and depositing one egg in bottom of each cell. One egg is add in all cell size. You see the boxes that having different cell is there, that having one egg laying by the queen. In starting, egg is small, oblong, and what is type of color? Many times this question also coming, bluish white. The size of color, egg size color is bluish white. And after fertilizing to produce the female, and unfertilized you'll get, I have seen. What is the problem? Why you change your sharing your this now PowerPoint? Yugli, you remove it. So egg are small and its blue white color is there, and fertilized egg produce female and unfertilized produce drone, that is come through parthenogenetically. This question also many times is coming, and yesterday I have already told unfertilized egg produce drone, fertilized female producing your female. So this is the difference. The period of development larvae pupa different among the different castes. So you see this is the difference between caste. If you see the duration, queen, egg hatching periods only 3 days, worker only 3 days, drone is 3 days. Means all queen, worker and drone having egg hatching period is same of all. But if you go larva, then queen 5 days, then worker 4 to 5 days, and drone 5 to 7 days. This is also not clear cut difference, only small difference is there. But if you go to pupal stage, that taken only queen is short stage, that 7 to 8 stage, 8 days, then worker bees 11 to 12 days, and drone is taking highest time for pupation, that is 13 to 14 days. And total, if you see the egg, larva, pupa, then you see 15 to 16 days required for queen development, and worker 18 to 20 days, for drone 21 to 24 days. That is only egg, larva, pupa, not adult. Adult life cycle is different. If you go for worker, then around 30 to 40 days. Drone also same, and not depend upon that. This is also mating. And queen life cycle, adult queen life cycle is many, 2 to 3 years. So we have already talked about this. Then transformation of 3 castes depend upon the brood food. That is also important character. That is totally depend upon the royal jelly. If you are feeding any larvae royal jelly, they fastest growth, and the royal jelly produce the female. And if you are giving small type, then is produce drone, and worker not having any royal jelly. So this is the difference. And who is produce this royal jelly? Anyone tell? This is also important question. It produced by pharyngeal cerebrally gland of worker bee. Who is produced? Workers. Worker is producing the royal jelly. This is also important question. Worker bee produce the royal jelly, and it produced by pharyngeal salivary gland. This is also difference. Then cell of queen, worker, drone are sealed, kept with wax after 8, 9 or 10 days of emergence, and after cape of drone came convex with the central hole. This is the difference between different caste. If you see the worker queen, that having the plate type of cape is there. Then this is the about the life cycle. Then next is rearing technique of honeybees. What will be required for rearing any honeybees, domesticated honeybees? What is required? So first is the location. What type of location is required? If your apiary place is located near the bee pasture, hello, please stop, mute yourself. Hello. Mero. Okay. Then where around your apiary area 1 to 2 kilometer, your orchard and any crop is there, that is the good place for this rearing of honeybees. Then hive should not face the wind direction. This is also important. If you take your box front is in direction of wind, then they also problematic. And tree bushes for a good wind barrier, so we will take near to trees and bushes, and clean and fresh the running water should be available near to your apiary area. So this is also important. Then site should be free from termite and black ant, because termite and black ants also attacking to honeybee eggs and larvae. Mega. Then hives should be placed into 2 to 3 meter apart in rows, and spacing of 3 to 7 meter apart based on the availability of space. So this is also important. How many space is required for one place, one box to another box. Another is swarm control. This is also important, because if you see two species is domesticated in India. One is Indian bee, another is your Italian bee. In Italian bee, swarming condition is very less, but in Indian bee, swarming condition is very highest. If you are not availability of food and other material, then go out to the your boxes. So this is also important for controlling the swarming from one place to another place. So what will we do? Clipping of special constructed queen cell. If you are queen is available in your box, then you stop the another constructed queen cells if available in your boxes, because this is also important, because in one box only one queen is living. If you are more than one, then another is go to outside. So this is also important. Then another primary swarm is allowed to take place, but trapped in swarm, trapped, hive, separately colony. This is also important. Destroy the remaining open brood cells, prevent the after swarm. Then another, take out 1 to 2 brood combs with queen, few workers from strong colony. If you are separating, you are making new colony, then you first of all you make the your colony is strong. That is divided into 2 groups. So this is also important. Then queen rearing also important. If your queen is not there, and if your queen is very poor or very not healthy, then not producing the egg larva, then your colony also very poor. So for by distributing brood chamber comb from a colony, a good trace 2 to 3 small hives is required, and few cells in each comb with just hairs larvae are enlarged by cutting at the cell, and from this queen are reared. If you are queen rearing is required. Why requiring queen? Because if you are making another comb, another box, that queen is essential. And many method is there for queen rearing, that is artificial, natural is there, but artificial queen rearing also required for increasing your boxes. Then care of queenless colony. If your queen is not there, then what will we do? So for this, brood comb with 1 or 2 sealed queen cell can be put in hive. If your any box is there, you check queen is there or not. If you are not there and your colony is strong, then you go fast and take sealed queen cells in any other that is available and add into this box for your queen. So this is also important. If your queen is not there 10 to 15, 30 days, then your colony also swarm or kill, because life cycle of worker is only 40 to 45 days. So what will that is queen is essential. Then another quickest way to rectify a queenless colony is supply another queen. This is also important. If your queen is not there, then we supply the another queen. Then plug with the muslin cloth, put in the empty super, and this is the procedure for making the another queen. Then another is what will we do for different group is there, honey flow period is there, death period is there, that time no honey is there, then what will we do, what will we provide for honey? Because if you are death period, you not provide any pollen substitute and other, then we also swarming from your box. So this is also important. When availability of pasture is less during the lean season, it is also known as dead period. What is dead period? That time non-availability of the pollens, your non-availability of the pollens, that is most probably in rainy season. That pollen is not available, that time is known as death period, and this time we will provide the extra your pollen substitute making and give to the your boxes. And dummy division board is also kept for bee to limited area. Bee are artificial fed with honey or sugar syrup. This is also important. You provide the your pollen substitute like honey, sugar syrup, other also, and you also add the dummy division board, because if you are regularly adding this your queen, that is also egg laying is there, then not feed food is available, then many problem is there. Then during honey flow period, that is also important. So in Indian bee, 2 honey flow period is there. One is October November in this your Manipur area or northeast area, and another is your March April February, March, April, May. So 2 period is there, and in also another different area, different this honey flow period is there. For this, queen excluded to keep this super free from brood if needed, because most of the your honey is extracted from which place? That is from super chamber. Two chamber is there. One is brood chamber. We will also talk in next this slide about the what is the frame, what is frame, parts of frame. We will discuss. So in this two, one brood chamber is there, another is super. In between two chamber, we added the queen excluder, because if you are entering into the super chamber queen, then many egg laying is there, then your honey also reduce. So for extracting honey, that is also requiring for queen excluder. For making the bees is draw new comb by impetibo fix with comb foundation sheet, then check the super and remove the super frame when they are fully sealed for honey extraction. If you are fully sealed with the honey, then you remove and extract from the honey extractor. So another is shifting bee colony. This is also meant rearing techniques for an bee. It should be done with care after dusk, moving about the half or 1 meter a day. Means if you are moving one place to another place, your box, so what time you will do? So that is the evening time. Important time is evening. If you transfer one place to another place, so evening or night time is good for shifting one place to another. Then another, before packing for transport, the brood comb should be well secured with banana fiber or any your paper and other. Because if your queen is going to outside your box, then no one is coming inside, and that is not your good. Another, one or two comb with honey should be hung in brood chamber to provide the food. This is also important when you transit one place to another place. You know, many that honeybee grower in this your Delhi, Haryana area, in winter, that is in your mustard area, in your Haryana or UP area, and in summer area they transit from this place to your Himachal and other places. So that is require 1 to 2 days for going to one place to another place. That time we will provide the another your pollen substitute, honey and other is also required. Then queue entrance is also closed with wire gauge. This is also important. If your entry gate is not closed, then your queen and worker is going to outside. So this is also important. Then after that, what will we do? Honey extraction. What is the procedure of honey extraction? We have already taken one group batch, so that we have taking this extraction of honey from frames. So for this, use bee escape board the previous day to clear off the bees. Bees super. First, you clean the all bees that is in your frame. Then after decap the wax. Another is after that you take the your knife and decap the all the shield your cell is there, honey, that full comb is there. Then after keep the decapped honey frame inside the rack of the honey extractor. That is depend at present many machine also there that having 10 to 15 and 20 40 one time you take and you extract the all, but in manually we have take around 2 to 4 frame one time. Then gently rotate the handle for extraction to spin out the honey from the cell by centrifuge force. And recently we have seen one online this honey box is there. You go in Google and other this one artificial this box is there. There if you are taking directly, that is around 20,000 per box rate is there. So in this directly regularly coming your honey, not requiring your honey extractor and other. That making maybe there's some procedure is there in this. You see different type of this video also there. So this is also recently coming. So we will also maybe purchase in future. Another is ripen honey heating in water bath at 60 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes for cleaning all this your any water and other is there. So that is also removed. Then after store the cool places and leave honey for bees to died over the death period. So this is also important. If your death period is there, that time you don't extract the honey from the boxes. Then another is beehives. What is beehives? Already we have told beehives were designed after the discovery of bee space. And who is discovered this question many times is coming. Bee space, also bee passage, that is given by the Langston, and is the optimum distance to left between two adjacent comb surface in beehive, which is essential for normal movement or functioning of bees. And this time, many times this question also coming, it varies with honey bee species. If your bees is Indian bee, then requires 7 to 9 mm space between these. But for Italian bee, that is size is more, that's why the space is required 10 mm. This is also important question. So how many type of hives is there in India or in the world? That first is Newton hives, another is BIS hives, then Marthanum hives are suitable for rearing Indian bee. 3 Newton, BIS and Marthanum. 3 hives used, or this box used for Indian bee, and for Italian bee, then Langston hives is best suitable for rearing the Italian bee. So this is also important, how many type of hives and which species is rearing which type of hives. Then we will come to the your hives, your box. How many part is there in this? You have major part is 5. First is bottom brood, then is also known as floor brood. Then second is brood chamber. We have already told brood chamber that leaving the your queen, and also egg laying also there in this brood chamber. Super chamber is the second chamber, that is for only for your honey extraction. And then hive cover is also there, then frame is also there. So you see, this is the design of the normal any box of the honeybee. You see, first in lower side, this is the hive stand, this is there. Then second is bottom brood. After that, one brood, this board is there, that is also required. And in front of this, queen extruder is there. This is the queen extruder. In this, only entry of the workers. But if queen is outside, is coming from this, then your swarm is there. So this is also important, and this is essential. Any your box, queen excluder is there, queen closer is there. So this is the queen excluder, not going to outside by the queen. If your queen is going, then your box is completely empty after 10 to 15 days. So this is also important. Then this is the brood chamber. If you see, most of the boxes we have brood chamber. If your colony is small, if your honey flow period is there, then we have added your super chamber or extracting super chamber. It is also known as extracting super, because honey is extracted from this box. And many times we have also added 3 boxes, 3 frame also added, yeah, 3 chamber also added. If your colony is more strong, that is depend upon the colony density. So this is the brood chamber and queen excluder. This is also important, that is required in your honey period or this, because if you are going to outside this your queen in upper side, your super chamber, then egg laying also adding in this. So that's why we stop in this brood chamber of the queen. Then another is inner cover in upper, this is the inner cover, this is small, this is there. Then outer covering, this is the top cover of the any box. This is the common simple box is there. So another bee keeping appliances, different bees equipments is required. First your box is required, then second artificial many that is required. Comb foundation sheet also important, because if you are comb your wax is more required and your honey is very less extracted. That's why that artificial your foundation sheet is required. So it is thin size wax impressed with a pattern of hexagon of size screw fast growth or fast extracting of the honeybee. And the size of is hexagon, because you see most of the your bee brood chamber and super chamber, if you see the shell, that is the hexagon type. So that's why this type of artificial making. Then embedder also required for catching of this this comb foundation. That's it for sealing or other, that this machine also require. Then next is synthetic comb made by this foundation comb. Okay, this is also important. One frame is required. In this, two wire is there. This is the 2-3 wire is there. In this artificial your synthetic comb is there. So that's why your energy not going to for wax making, and energy going to directly for honey extraction. So this is also important, and many person use this synthetic comb. Then another is dummy division board. Movable wall is also required. It is wooden board, slightly larger than the broad chamber. It is placed inside the brood chamber, and it prevents the bee from going to beyond it. I have already told that is the stopping your queen from brood chamber to your super chamber. Then this is the upper side area, bee escape board or super cleaner. This is the top, second top. After that, covering is there. So this is also a device which allow the bee to go through a self-closing exit. And spring bee escape, wire gauges. This is also one plate is there, that, and then there two space is there. One is there, one is there. If you go to, if you open your box, that is the second part. Then queen excluder, we have already talked about, that is also important. Between two frames, super chamber and your brood chamber, that queen excluder is required. So this is the queen excluder. This same mesh type is there. Then drone trap, many person that is also using for extracting, and then two hollow cones at the bottom of wall is there. Then queen gate. We have already told queen gate is also important, and queen excluder. Two type is there. Queen gate in front of your box only allowed to the worker and drone or soldier, but not allowed to the queen. If your queen is going to outside, then your boxes may be empty within early period or swarming of the or absconding of the your colony. So this is also important. If you starting your any honey apiary, that queen gate is essential. Then queen cage, that is your for making, for collecting your queen from infield area. Most of the this tribal area, and that collecting from the forest area. So one queen cage is there, that we have take this queen inside, and then all worker and all drone is coming backside this. So this is also important. Queen cage required. Then queen cell protector also there, because many times this scrape this queen cell. So if your queen is requiring that, killed by the another. Then swarm trap is also important equipment for rearing of your honeybees. It rectangular box type. Then pollen trap. What is the role of pollen trap? Because if your pollen is not there when death period is there, so that time, if you are collecting your pollens, at that is added at the gate of the your entry gate of the your box. That queen gate is there now. That place we have added this pollen trap at the time of highly pollens is there in field. At that time more pollen is coming, they added into this trap, and then you collect and use for throughout the year for supplying to during the dead period. Then another gloves is also required, bee brush is also required. This is common. Smoker also required for when you start extracting of honey. Then frame if you removing, then queen is your worker and other remove from this frame. That smoker is also required. Decapping knife, we have already told, after you before you are extracting honey, that queen decapping the waxes available on the frame. Because if you are not open this your cell, then not coming outside the honey for extracting. Then honey extractor also there, that is many type of extractor is there, cylinder drum is there, then 2 to 4 frame you can use as manually. If you are electrically, that having 30 to 40, your frame is used for this honey extractor. If you are big size, you have any 50 to 60 boxes is there, then you make the your electrical and many big size honey extractor is required. So this is about today class. Any question?
No, sir.
Only 44 is coming. Why not coming other? Please don't disturb this slide. You are making some pen using for this. Why you are using? Who is this? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any other question? No, any question?
Thank you, sir. No.
Next call we will talk about this now. Any question we will.
Thank you, sir.
So you prepare and regularly this. We have always we have also sending this video also there. And it's important for your future also. If you have completed BSc and after that you start your apiculture and sericulture, your lake culture. So this is also important for this rearing of this honeybees and other. So seriously you take this class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.